Hi everyone, I'm Luis Costa, manager of FA Boost, the accelerator program of FA Group. FA Group is a consulting firm specialized on getting tax credit, tax incentives or grants regarding all your R&D activities, all the expenses that you have on that. That means that we are in contact, our consultants are in contact constantly with R&D directors, with operation managers, IT directors, to know all these projects. So we decided to create an acceleration program to put in contact all our startups to the corporates of our group. So we identify their needs, their challenges, and if we identify a match, we go there and we introduce them. So our added value as accelerator program is to put in contact our startups with them. Also, we're doing all the training sessions, and our core business in the group is to get all this roadmap in terms of the diagnostic about the tax incentives that you can get, all the grants that you can also get. We are doing this individualized diagnosis to our startups. So, giving two protagonists to one of them, we start with Eduard, please, from Upground.
Working is no longer just about the salary. It's about enjoying and being happy. But are we willing to sacrifice our own time just to try to find that ideal job? You know what I mean. Almost 90% of professionals are not actively looking for a job. And that's the reason why more than 72% of companies have difficulties finding the right tech talent. Hi, I'm Eduard Teixidó, CEO of Upground, the first AI system that replicates virtual interviews to connect companies and entrepreneurs with tailored tech professionals in less than 5 minutes and based on the same information as human recruiters are taking the decisions nowadays, the first interviews. This point where companies discover who's behind each resume or LinkedIn profile and developers meet all the details of the opportunity to value if it's of their interest. In this way, our tech searches, applies, and passes all the first interviews for all developers, so companies can save up to 80% of the time they spend on hiring. Our system, companies look further than skills when hiring, like culture fit. And that's the reason we created a chatbot that interviews all professionals to connect based on the same information as recruiters. Developers, it's free for developers, and companies pay per hire, although our goal is to provide this technology as another employee for each company, but working 24/7. Our focus is not about filtering people with bad CVs. Our focus is to find out who is the best for each position, like humans do. This paradigm shift is thanks to Marcel, whose R&D experience has been able to land our vision, Jordi, whose analytical capacity allows us to move forward more confident, and myself, a machine designer project manager that now prefers software. And now, based on your expertise, knowledge, and ambitions, OPI the coach allows you to know what you need to learn or improve in order to approach that next professional challenge that fulfills your motivation. It's all developers' career coach, and companies have one as well. Taking the fact that we are the first in the market, we are now looking for 100,000 euros to achieve our goal of 250,000 through public grant. Definitely, to look for a job should no longer be a job, and Upground provides the technology to stop it. So, if you are a developer open to new challenges, or you are looking for tech talent, Upground is your ally. Thanks, Antonio.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to start with a question. What do you see here? Pretty easy, right? Well, where you see waste, we see opportunity. Look here. 3 billion euros is the value of the materials that we throw away every single year with our industrial waste. But on the other side, the raw material cost keeps increasing. And right now, companies are stopping their production lines due to scarcity and prices. This is due to the complexity of the raw materials, of the waste, but also to a lack of information about what to do with it and who can reuse it. We address these questions at Recircular, connecting businesses with waste, with those others that can reuse it as raw materials in the production processes. And we do it with our digital platform, a system that helps us automatize the process and scale, reaching not only any type of waste, but also any type of business, no matter how small or big it is. In our system, companies upload information about the available resources, and our algorithm identifies the reuse and recycling opportunities and automatically notifies those other companies that are potential consumers. This way, if love happens like in other dating apps, the transactions are closed within our system, providing them with traceability. And we also charge for it, a percentage of the value of the transaction, and we will also work with freemium subscription model. But we also measure the impact that is generated due to those transactions. We calculate indicators such as reduction of carbon footprint, reduction of water and energy consumption, and improvement of life expectancy due to giving this waste a second life. And we obviously contribute as well to several of the SDGs, directly ourselves and with our company members. This way, we contribute to generating economic savings on the waste management side and the raw material acquisition side, and environmental and social benefits that we measure and report to our business members so that they can use it for their CSR strategies or non-financial reporting and others. In our 4 years of life, we've been giving solutions to more than 5,000 tons of different types of waste, working directly with our clients, from small social foundations to big multinationals in different European countries. And we have had the support of several private and public institutions as well. Our goal is to go on increasing, reaching 50,000 tons of waste saved, contributing to the creation of 500 indirect jobs and a reduction of 150,000 CO2 emissions. And to achieve that, we are an amazing team with lots of years of expertise in our own areas. And we are right now growing and introducing new profiles in our system. But we also have an amazing advisory board that helps us with legal, technical, and financial aspects. This is our moment because we contribute to the digital transformation of a very traditional sector, which is the waste management sector. But also we bring down to earth circular economy strategies with actionable and tangible actions. And we do it innovating with waste, with something that doesn't have any value right now. Would you join our waste revolution? Thank you very much.
I'm Joel, CEO of Shoya Extended Reality, and I will talk about Augmented Factory, our tool to improve the efficiency and productivity in industry using augmented reality. The problem, working with our industry clients, we detect a very common problem, lower productivity caused by difficult to access the technical knowledge. In the best case, the technical knowledge related to maintenance, daily operations, or incident resolution is kept in PDF that it's difficult to understand and difficult to access. In the worst case, this knowledge is in the head of the technicians. That means that, first of all, we lost our technical know-how when our best technicians leave, and it's difficult to transfer this knowledge to places and people. So, for example, when we are executing a procedure and we need to consult a specific data, or the next step, it takes time to access, search, and understand. So it takes longer time to execute the operation. Also imagine if that technician has a little or no experience. Both things result in longer downtime on our factory. That is time that we are not producing, time that we are not making money. So how we solve it? With our SaaS B2B, Augmented Factory, we already implemented in industry such as naval industry, automotive industry, or food industry. We work with that easy concept. 3D instructions in the real world. Using HoloLens 2 or smartphone iOS devices, we can access to this knowledge. But this is a demo, but how it really works. Easy. Our tool has two different components. a platform to digitalize this knowledge, ¿vale? And augmented reality viewer that transfer this knowledge to any operator in the world. The platform to digitalize the knowledge is based on a very simple and intuitive 3D editor where a technician will be able to generate augmented reality instructions, transferring all his knowledge, even if even if he have not experience. Sorry. He can transfer all his knowledge even if he have no digital skills. On the other hand, from the augmented reality viewer, an operator will be able to access the technical knowledge of the company immediately according to their role, choosing which procedures they want to execute and visualize them in augmented reality on their own work environment, compatible for Android iOS devices or really augmented reality glasses like HoloLens 2. So what does augmented factory mean? First of all, less procedure execution times, less errors and accidents, less training time, so more time producing and more time making money. Thank you very much.
Hello, how are you? Hello? Hello, come on, one hello, simple hello. Hi, hello, okay, thank you. I'm Andres Pulgarin. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Bots Lovers. And we want to do one only thing in this world, that is free human from fucking boring tasks. And we want to begin with the customer service. This is horrible. Nobody wants to answer the same question every day, 1,000 times every day. This is horrible for everyone. We need to change this. We need to automate this conversation, this customer service, and we do in a 90% of all online questions. The most innovative companies don't create bots. We are not a bot platform. We don't believe in the bot platforms. We don't give this kind of tools. We give a technology that companies could use. They don't have to create nothing. They only have to use our bots. We have pre-trained bots. And our clients agree with this number. Our clients said that really we could automate 80 or 90% of customer service. This would be cool. This bot answered questions in the web, in WhatsApp, and in Italian, Spanish, and in English. 80, 90% of the whole question every day. How we can do that? We use artificial intelligence. We use one small part of artificial intelligence, that is natural language processing. And we take all this high technology and we simplify for our customers, for our client, and they don't have to use any technical people or write any line of code. We are in all channels where your clients are right now. If you have clients on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on the web, or inside your app, for example, we work with Cabify. The drivers of Cabify answered, asked questions to our bot to solve the frequently asked questions during their trips. This is, for example, for Porsche. With Porsche, we are working with WhatsApp and web, solving the frequently asked questions that people have inside the car. We are now connected with the main ERP and CM systems. We can connect to Shopify, to Magento, to PrestaShop, and also do connection with SAP or Oracle. And of course, we need to measure everything. All that happens in the bot is recorded and is in this platform. And our clients discover new things to sell and new opportunities to improve their customer service, only reading the conversation of the client. You can try this. This is a bot of Alcampo in Spain that is like a Walmart. And alcampo.es, you can go there and talk with Iker. And please ask Iker for a wine. You can ask for, Iker, I want a wine, red wine, that costs less than €5. And you are very fortunate people, because for be here, you could have one free AI bot right now. Then take this picture right now, because it will disappear, and you can try our technology. Thank you very much.